Want to make cooking faster, easier, and way more enjoyable? These amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets take the hassle out of meal prep, saving you time and effort every step of the way. From clever tools to smart solutions, they're a must-have for every kitchen. All product links are in the description below. One machine, endless possibilities. This kitchen robot can steam, knead, slow cook, sous vide, ferment, mix, and even clean itself. With over 600 recipes built in and app control, you can cook from anywhere while keeping an eye on progress. The built-in scale ensures precise measurements, and the 3.5 liters capacity is perfect for both family dinners and solo meals. A large touchscreen and safety lock make cooking simple, safe, and seriously impressive. Food stays fresh, your fridge stays organized, and your meal prep gets way easier. This vacuum sealer set locks in flavor and keeps ingredients fresh up to 5 times longer. Just fill a bag or glass container, zip it closed, and let the sealer do the rest. It's rechargeable, compact, and super easy to use. Ideal for prepping ahead, saving leftovers, or sealing snacks to take on the go. No more wrestling with stubborn shells. This heavy-duty nut cracker takes on walnuts, pecans, almonds, and even seafood like crab or lobster claws, all with barely any effort from you. Its curved barrel shape grips the shell just right, while the angled handle gives you cracking power with just one hand. The non-slip grip keeps things steady. Quick, clean, and no more flying shell bits. Toss your scraps, press a button, and that's it. This smart kitchen composter does the rest. It turns food waste into natural fertilizer in just 6 hours using high heat and quiet grinding. No stink, no bugs, thanks to its dual carbon filters and optional scent boosters. The 4-liter bucket handles plenty of leftovers, and the compact design fits right on your counter. Easy to use, self-cleaning, and kind to the planet. Pet messes? Spilled coffee? No problem. This compact carpet and upholstery cleaner packs serious suction power to lift stains and odors from rugs, sofas, and even your car seats. The built-in tank holds enough solution to handle big jobs without constant refilling. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and works on just about any soft surface. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it once you see the gunk it pulls out. Pet fur on the couch again? Just grab this reusable roller and swipe it away. No sticky sheets, no batteries, no fuss. It picks up dog and cat hair from couches, carpets, bedding, and clothes with a quick back and forth motion. The trapped fur collects inside and empties out with one press. It's simple, portable, and endlessly reusable. You'll wonder how something so basic works so brilliantly. Fresh juice. Wherever you are, no cord, no noise, no hassle. This portable electric juicer squeezes citrus and other fruits with one quiet press, separating pulp from juice in seconds. It charges via USB-C and fits easily into your bag, so you can juice on the go from road trips to work desks. Cleanup's easy with detachable parts and a handy brush. It's a tiny powerhouse for your daily dose of freshness. No more fishing around in pickle juice with your fingers. This clever flip jar separates the brine from your pickles with a simple turn. Just flip it. Grab what you need from the top, then flip it back and let everything soak again. The airtight seal keeps things fresh, and the wide mouth makes it easy to clean. It's perfect for olives, jalapenos, or whatever tangy snack you're craving. Your lunch just leveled up. This smart electric lunchbox doesn't just heat, it steams your meal to perfection while locking in freshness. With easy touch controls and a 9.5-hour timer, it's perfect for busy days. The stainless steel liner keeps things clean and durable, and the water heating method ensures even warmth every time. Bonus, there's a hidden spot inside to store your fork and spoon. Peeling fruits and veggies doesn't have to make a mess. This smart little peeler has a built-in container that catches all the scraps as you go. No more chasing peels across the counter. The stainless steel blade stays sharp and rust-free, slicing through carrots, apples, or potatoes with ease. It's BPA-free, easy to rinse, and comes in a set of 2. Handy, clean, and ready for daily use. Stirring the pot just got hands-free. This automatic pan stirrer takes over while you focus on everything else. Drop it into your soup, sauce, or gravy. Press a button, and it starts rotating on its own. No spoon required. With 3 speed settings and heat-safe nylon legs, it works in non-stick pans without scratching a thing. It's cordless, compact, and surprisingly fun to watch in action. Strawberry prep just got way more fun and way less messy. This clever little tool removes stems with one quick press and twist, leaving the fruit perfectly intact. No knives, no wasted fruit, and no sore thumbs. It's safe enough for kids to use and works on other soft produce too, like tomatoes or mini peppers. Cute, compact, and dishwasher safe, it's a very good addition to your kitchen. No more dragging around a bulky vacuum just to clean the basics. This ultra-light upright weighs less than a gallon of milk, but it's tough where it counts. The 720-watt motor sucks up dirt, hair, and dust from both carpets and hard floors with ease. You also get built-in tools for corners and furniture, plus a dust cup that empties in seconds. And the washable filter? That's just saving you money. Washing produce just got a high-tech twist. Drop this little gadget into a bowl of water, and it uses ion purification to clean fruits, veggies, grains, even meat, without soap or scrubbing. It runs wirelessly and shuts off automatically after each 10-minute cycle. No cords, no chemicals, and no mess. Just fresh, clean food that's ready to enjoy. Bonus, it charges wirelessly and fits right in your kitchen drawer. Dull knives slowing you down? This 4-in-1 sharpener brings them back to life in just a few swipes. With 4 slots tailored for everything from steel blades to scissors, you get a perfect edge every time. No guesswork, no hassle. The non-slip base keeps things steady, and it even comes with a cut-resistant glove for extra safety. Sleek, compact, and easy to use. Sharp tools. Sharper kitchen game. Freshly baked cookies just got a serious upgrade. This edible ink printer prints colorful designs right onto sugar cookies. No icing or piping needed. It works instantly and can handle up to 350 cookies per hour. Just upload your design, hit print, and watch the magic happen. Great for parties, events, or making dessert feel a little more personal. Slicing melons doesn't have to be a slippery, messy hassle. This clever tool gives you 12 even wedges in one smooth motion. No need to wrestle with a knife or ruin your cutting board. The soft grip elevated handles keep your hands safe, and the serrated blades cut through tough rinds with ease. Whether it's a summer picnic or a brunch tray, you'll have perfectly portioned fruit in seconds. Meet the air fryer that thinks outside the basket. This 4-in-1 glass cooking system air fries, bakes, crisps, and reheats, all in sleek, non-toxic glass containers. Whether it's a solo lunch or a whole chicken dinner, it's ready in minutes with zero guesswork. The PowerPod delivers full-sized power, yet it's compact enough for any countertop. Bonus: the storage lids snap tight, so leftovers go straight from oven to fridge. No extra dishes needed. Labeling just got way more fun. This compact label maker connects to an app, letting you print custom designs in seconds. Just insert the label paper, choose your style, and tap Print. From kitchen jars to cables and notebooks, you can tag anything with ease. The labels peel right off and stick wherever you need them. Simple, creative, and seriously satisfying. Straining pasta or veggies shouldn't mean juggling hot lids and bulky colanders. This clip-on silicone strainer snaps right onto your pot or pan and stays put while you pour. It's compact, heat-resistant, and folds down flat, making it perfect for small kitchens or even RVs. No more extra dishes, no countertop mess, just a simple, secure way to drain and serve with zero hassle. This kitchen sink isn't just smart, it's downright genius. With a waterfall faucet, built-in cup washer, and a sleek control panel that feels more like a piano than plumbing, it turns dish duty into something almost enjoyable. The stainless steel body resists scratches and smudges, while the temperature display keeps things safe and steady. No batteries required. Running out of eggs when you're mid-recipe? Not anymore! This double-layer egg drawer holds up to 32 eggs and makes it super easy to see exactly how many you've got left. Each egg gets its own groove, so there's no rolling, bumping, or cracking. There's even a built-in time scale so you can keep track of freshness. Stack it, slide it, and keep your fridge neat without wasting space. Cutting fries, dicing onions, slicing apples. This 4-in-1 cutter handles it all in seconds. Just pop in your veggie, press the handle, and out come perfect cuts every time. Swap between 4 blades to get the exact style you want, from wedges to fries to diced cubes. It's compact, easy to clean, and way faster than using a knife. Great for saving time and keeping your prep mess-free. Forget twisting, banging, and melting cubes just to get a few out. This smart ice tray lets you pop out ice with just one press, no spills, no hassle. The flexible silicone makes de-icing smooth and easy, even with one hand. It creates 6 chunky square cubes that chill your drink fast and look great in any glass. Slim enough for tight freezer spaces and super simple to clean. Breakfast just got way more fun and way less complicated. This all-in-one station lets you brew coffee, toast bread, and cook eggs or bacon all at once. The non-stick griddle handles pancakes like a pro, and the toaster oven fits 4 slices with room to spare. Flip a switch, turn a dial, and your whole morning meal is underway. It saves space, looks retro cool, and keeps everything in one spot.